If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Aloki the Learning Space. Today, we are going to learn how to customize date in Excel. So let's start our work. So today we are going to learn how to customize date in Excel, that is custom date format. Okay, so if you don't want to use predefined Excel date format, then you can create your own date format. Means we can set a custom date format in Excel. For setting up a custom date format in Excel, we can use the codes. So let's check the code. So date consists day, month and year. So first we will check a code for day. You can check on my screen. The code for day is D, 2 times D, 3 times D and 4 times D. Okay, so what does it mean? For single D, it means day number without a leading zero. I have mentioned two examples, 1st August and 10th August. So if I have mentioned single D, then I will get 1. And for 10th August, I will get 10. Okay. If I mention 2D, so what does it mean? Day number with a leading 0. Means if I mention 2D, then I will get the result 0, 1. And for 10th August, I will get 1, 0, that is 10. If I mention 3 times D, means a day of the week, we will get the short form of day of the week. So 1st August, it comes on Sunday and 10th August comes on Tuesday. So if I mention 3 times D, I will get SUN, and for 10th August I will get TUE, a short form of day. If I mention 4 times D, then I will get the full form of day of the week. That is, for 1st August I will get Sunday, and for 10th August I will get Tuesday. Fine. So here we have completed the day section. For month, let's check the code. It is M, 2 times M, 3 times M and 4 times M. For single M, what does it mean? Month number without a leading 0. So for 1st August, I will get 8. For 11th November, I will get 11. Fine. If I mention 2 times M, then I will get the month number with a leading 0. Means for 1st August, I will get 08. For 11th November, I will get 11. If I mention 3 times M, then I will get the short form of month name. That is, for 1st August, I will get AUG. For 11th November, I will get NOV. If I mention 4 times M, then I will get the full form of month name. That is, for 1st August, I will get August, and for 11th November, I will get November. Fine. So here we have completed the code for month. Now we will check the code for year. First one is 2 times Y. Y and Y means we will get the last 2 digits of year. For 1st August 2021, I will get 21, the last 2 digits of year. And if I mention 4 times Y, then I will get 4 digits. That is 2021. Fine. So here I have completed the code. With the help of this code, we customize our date in Excel. Means we get custom date. Okay, fine. So let's check some examples. see in my next sheet, in this column I have mentioned some dates. Now what we will do, we will customize date in the format which I highlighted in yellow. Our first format is dd.mm.yy, means this date we are going to customize in this format, that is dd.mm.yy. So first what we will do, I will just copy this dates, paste here. Fine. Now we will start our work. So for that, just press Ctrl 1. Now you will see that format cell dialog got opened. This is a one way to open this format cell dialog. I will show you one more way. Put your cursor on cell, right click, format cell. Fine. So this is a second way. Now come to number tab. In that category list, select custom, and in type box we will write this format. I will delete the previous one and I will write this format, that is dd.mm.yy. Fine, and hit OK button. Now you will see the first date got customized in our format, that is dd.mm.yy. Fine. So rest what I will do, keep your cursor on that formatted cell, then hit format painter and just apply on other dates. Fine. So now all the 4 dates got customized in our format, that is dd.mm.yy. Fine. We will move to next. The format is dd.mm.yy, that is 4 times y. Fine. So first we will paste these dates, copy. Fine. And I will keep the selection as it is and right click, format cell, write your format in type box, that is dd.mm.yy. We will get these 4 dates in this format. Okay. As the date is in that format itself, that's why we are getting the same result. Fine. We will move to our next format. Just copy this date, paste here, then I will keep the selection as it is, then right click, format cell, enter your format, that is mm.dd.yy. Now the date will come in this format. Okay. You will see month, day and year. Fine. It all get customized now. Fine. Now we will check the next one, that is ddd, dd.mmm.yyyy. Fine. So first we will copy these dates, paste here. I will keep selection as it is. Because of this selection, there is no need to use format painter. That's why I have kept this selection as it is. Now right click, format cell, enter the format dd, 3 times d, then comma, dd.mmm.yyyy. Now hit OK button. You will see, because of 3D, we are getting the day of the week in short form, then day, then month, which is in short form, and the year. Fine. Next we will check, that is dd.mmmmm.yy. So for that, just copy, paste here, format cell, enter your format which you desire, dot mm 2 times d dot 4 times m dot yy, and hit OK. Fine. Now 2 times d, that means 2 digit, then month, then year. As it only YY is there, that's why we are getting only 2 digit. Okay. This is how we can customize our date in our desired format. Fine. I hope you have understood this code also and this example also. So practice is, in case you have any doubt, just write in comment box. If you like my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.